The contentious farm bills has triggered a massive political storm as the Shiromani Akali Dal MP Harsimrat Kaur Badal has resigned from the Union Cabinet over these bills. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted meanwhile hailing the three bills, assuring the farmers that minimum support price will not be discontinued. The Prime Minister said that some people are trying to mislead farmers over government reforms. The Prime Minister said this after Harsimrat termed the bill as anti-farmers and resigned from her post in the Cabinet. Akali Dal is one of the oldest allies of the NDA. Speaking to India Today, Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal has said that the decision to stay or leave from this alliance will be taken after consulting party members. Meanwhile, Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh called Harsimrat's resignation as nothing but theatrics, asking why her party is not quit from the NDA.
I think I owed it to the farmers of India, and especially to the farmers of my state, who for the last many weeks, despite the scare of COVID, have been out on the streets, sitting on dharnas, be it old women, old men, young children, to have their voice heard by the central government about the apprehensions against these ordinances, which they feel is going to ruin their future and the future of their children. My party decided that we were going to oppose these ordinances because they had not complied and fulfilled the apprehensions that the farmers were facing. And as a member of the government, because they had brute majority and numbers, so it was going to get passed, I did not want to be a part of that government which would shove this down the throats of my farmers, who felt that with this legislation today, their future has been ruined for good.
First, this ordinance was brought into the cabinet 2 months back. Before that, when all the planning was going on, we were never asked. We were told now only by the minister that they had formed a 7 chief ministers committee, where 1 or 2 chief ministers were of Congress, Captain Amrinder Singh and Kamal Nath. So they recommended, but when we didn't know about it. When it came on the table item on the cabinet, my wife got to know it. She's a union minister. She objected that time. I just want to say, Shiromani Akali Dal is a founder member of NDA.
That was earlier. Now what is the status?
Our party will be meeting shortly.
ये दोनों विधेयक किसान के जीवन में क्रांतिकारी बदलाव लाने वाले हैं। देश तो 1947 को आज़ाद हुआ, लेकिन किसान मंडी की जंजीरों में बंधा हुआ था। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में इन विधेयकों के माध्यम से उसको आज़ादी मिली है।
आपकी पार्टी के मंत्री जी और इस्तीफा देने के लिए खड़ा है। I would appreciate the sentiment and the emotion of Madam Harsimrat Kaur, who had displayed her guts and gumption by opposing this draconian legislation. Yes, ये क्या है? आपका जो 3 ordinances है, ये 3 ordinances toxic triangle है. It is nothing but a toxic triangle.
Poulomi Saha is also joining us with all the latest updates on this. Poulomi, the government is coming under a lot of fire, not just from the opposition farmers, but also now from its own allies. How is the government planning to counter this? Because they're maintaining that there's no change to the minimum support price, and that's why there's a lot of outrage for no reason. But then there's also a question of whether there's been some miscommunication on this.
Well, like you rightly pointed out, the government will dig its heels in as far as these bills are concerned. These are of course, messages which have been, communicated to all constituents of the NDA as well as other stakeholders. They say that these decisions were made, the ordinances were promulgated, and then of course brought to the parliament in order to pass them through parliament and convert them into acts as well after comprehensive consultations and discussions. So clearly they're saying that everyone was taken on board. Harsimrat Kaur Badal also says that there were interministerial meetings. She was part of the interministerial meetings as a member of the government, as Minister for Food Processing Industries, which is supporting these bills. She had to, on paper, communicate her support, but then she said she voiced her apprehensions about these bills as well, saying that there are stakeholders who are farmers who are apprehensive about private players entering the market, who are apprehensive about their land being taken away from them, and those fears need to be allayed. But for the moment, as the Prime Minister has indicated yesterday after the passage of the bills in the Lok Sabha, the government is very clear that it will of course stay with these bills, and then of course communicate that message as far as possible to the stakeholders on the ground as well and allay their fears.
All right, Paulami, thank you for those details. Let's listen into what the government is saying. We had a conversation with Narendra Singh Tomar. Remember, he's been assigned the portfolio of Ministry of Food and Processing after Harsimrat Kaur Badal quit. Here's what he said.
हमारे इस विधेयक से राज्य के एपीएमसी एक्ट को कोई भी नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है। राज्य का एपीएमसी एक्ट है, वो राज्य रखना चाहे रहें, परिवर्तन करना चाहे परिवर्तन करें, लेकिन हमें इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं। एमएसपी किसानों के लिए, एमएसपी पर भारत सरकार खरीद करती थी, खरीद करती है और आने वाले कल में भी खरीद करती रहेगी। इस बिल का जो लोग विरोध कर रहे हैं उनको बिल पढ़ना चाहिए, और अगर वो किसान के पक्षों को देखकर बिल को देखेंगे तो किसान का हित उनको दिखाई देगा, और अगर राजनीतिक दृष्टि से देखेंगे तो राजनीति दिखाई देगी।
Meanwhile, protests continue over the controversial farm bills that will soon be introduced in the Rajya Sabha. Thousands of farmers are up in arms over these 3 new agriculture ordinances that were passed on June 5th by the Modi government. As you can see on your screens, farmers have hit the streets in several states, including Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. In an incident that's been reported in Punjab's Mansa district, a farmer consumed poison while sitting on a dharna. This is outside former Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal's residence. The farmer has been admitted to a hospital. Now, you've got several farmers hitting the streets demanding the withdrawal of these bills, as they fear that this will in fact phase out the minimum support price, kill the traditional grain market system and also crush the small and marginal farmers.
आंदोलन पहले भी लड़ा जा रहा था, आंदोलन आगे भी लड़ा जाएगा। आंदोलन हमारा जारी रहेगा। जो देशव्यापी बंद का आह्वान आया, हम देश के नागरिकों को कहना चाहते हैं कि आप पूरी तरह इसके साथ जुड़िए और हमारा साथ दीजिए। अपना 24 सितंबर से लेकर 26 सितंबर तक जो रेल रोको का हमने आह्वान किया, हम पूरे देश के किसानों, मजदूरों सबको बेनती करना चाहते हैं वो हमारे साथ आएं, और ये देश का मुद्दा, देश को बचाने का सवाल है। सबको मिलकर जब तक मोदी घुटनों के बल आ नहीं जाता तब तक संघर्ष करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
मोदी सरकार कुछ भी कहे, खेती बाड़ी मंत्री भी कुछ भी कहे, लेकिन ये है किसान और मजदूर के विरुद्ध। इनके पास होने से ये बिल जो लागू हो जाते हैं तो पंजाब का, देश का किसान जो वो खेती से उजाड़ा हो जाएगा, उनका खेती जड़ी खत्म हो जाएगी, मंडी भी खत्म हो जाएगी। बहुत घातक है किसान के लिए, इसलिए ये बिल नहीं चाहिए। अभी भी मोदी सरकार को ये सोचना चाहिए कि ये बिल इनको रद्द कर देना, क्योंकि किसान के हित में नहीं है।
So you've got the fight over 3 controversial farm bills getting bigger. Farmers are refusing to budge, and protests have been held in several states against the Modi government. Let's explain for you what real controversy is all about. Why are farmers up in arms against these 3 bills?
किसानों पर लाठीचार्ज नहीं है, ये पूरी जनता के जनवादी अधिकारा के ऊपर लाठीचार्ज कराया है।
जो ये ऑर्डिनेंस पास कीते ने किसानों की पिठ से छुरा मारिया।
भावें सानू अपने शरीर को अग ला के क्यों ना फूकना पवे, इसनू वापस करावांगे ते बड़ा तगड़ा संघर्ष करांगे।
Thousands of farmers are up in arms. They have hit the streets in several states, including Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. The farmers are protesting the 3 farm sector bills introduced by the Narendra Modi government. While the government is hailing them as bold reforms intended to ease farming and increase incomes, farmers are calling the proposed laws a nail in their coffin.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਆਰਡੀਨੈਂਸ ਜਾਰੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਿਰੁੱਧ ਹੈ। ਕਿਸਾਨ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਆਤਮ ਹੱਤਿਆ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਤਮ ਹੱਤਿਆ ਹੋਰ ਵੱਧ ਜੂਗੀ ਤੇ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਰੁਲ ਜੂਗੀ, ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਰੁਲ ਜਾਣਗੇ।
The three bills, Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill, the Farmers Agreement on Price Assurance and Farmer Services Bill, and the Essential Commodities Bill will replace ordinances issued earlier. The government claims the new laws will provide barrier-free trade, but farmers fear that these will phase out the minimum support price, kill the traditional grain market system, and crush the small and marginal farmers. Commission agents are also opposing the proposed laws as they could render them jobless. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has termed the move anti-farmer. BJP's ally, the Shiromani Akali Dal, too joined them.
ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੋਈ MSP ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੀ, ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਏਜੰਸੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੀ ਫੂਡ ਕਾਰਪੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੰਭਾਲਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਫਿਰ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸਿਸ ਫਾਲ ਕਰਨਗੀਆਂ। ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ 2 ਕਿੱਲੇ ਦਾ ਮਾਲਕ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ कैसे ਰੋਟੀ ਖਵਾਏ। ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੀ ਫੈਸਲਾ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਫॉर ਸਮ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ অর ਦੀ ਅਦਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੋਚ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਹੈ। बड़े कॉर्पोरेट हाउसेस ਨੂੰ वगैरह ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ मजबूत करना है।
हमारी पार्टी क्योंकि किसान की पार्टी है, हमारी सोच क्लियर है। जब तक किसान जो हमारा पंजाब का जो बेस है, पंजाब हरियाणा देश का जो अन्नदाता है, जब तक उनकी जो दिमाग में जो इश्यूज हैं जब तक सॉल्व ना करें, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ये बिल को पोस्टपोन किया जाए।
Allaying fears, BJP President JP Nadda says MSP will stay.
MSP था, है और रहेगा, किसानों की ही चिंता के लिए रहेगा। APMC रहेगी। मेरे पास एक उत्पाद है, उसका 10 रुपए दाम है, MSP हमको 10 रुपए दे रही है, हमको दूसरी जगह 12 रुपए दे रही है, तो हम कहां जाएंगे आप बताइए।
While the Modi government calls the proposed laws pro-farmer, critics anticipate irrational volatility in the prices of essential and increased black marketing. Bureau Report, India Today.
Anand Patel is joining us live on this broadcast with more details on this. Anand, the opposition has made their voice clear on this matter, their opinion on this matter, saying and referring to these particular legislations as draconian. How does the opposition really plan on taking this forward, considering that these bills will now come up in the Rajya Sabha also?
Well, yes, you know, the opposition strategy is very clear on this issue. The manner in which both the bills were pushed through in Lok Sabha. We're getting statements from different leaders, including BSP leader Mayawati. She also said that the concerns of the farmers need to be taken on board. And this is what we've been hearing from Congress as well. The Congress party has been maintaining that the NDA government, particularly the Akali Dals, misled the farmers on this issue when the ordinance had come out during the lockdown period, and that the government didn't even try to accommodate the views of the farmers and they address their concerns. And this is the reason why the farmers are out on the streets, out on the road and blocking highways. And now they've given a call to block even the train movement in Punjab. This is what is happening in Punjab as well as in Haryana, because both these states, you see, the APMC plays a big role. The MSP for paddy and wheat plays a big role for the farmers. That's a big, money for the farmers, and that is the reason why the farmers feel that if both these acts come in play, their earnings will take a hit, and that it will lead to corporate farming. Okay. And the farmers will be, slaves of the corporates. So this is what the fear is, which has not been addressed, and that is why there is so much anger on the ground, including the constituency of Harsimrat Kaur Badal, the former food processing minister in Batinda, where the farmer, we are told, that has consumed poison. So this is what is the situation on the ground. We've been speaking to different people in Punjab government as well, and they are saying that unless and until the centre gives a leeway to the farmers, they are helpless. The states are helpless because they have not been taken on board.
It's clear that the opposition, some of the allies of the BJP, farmers, all of them are piling pressure on the government. The government so far has stuck to their stand on these 3 bills, saying it is pro-farmer and will help farmers across the country. Anand, thank you for joining us with all the details on the story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.